Vicky, so what's for lunch today?
What about xianggan stir fry with pork?
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Looks interesting.
you had it before.
Oh, okay. I don't
But
remember.
today I would like to put more vegetable.
Okay.
Susan,
Yeah?
make this kind of xianggan. You see?
Yeah. Yeah, the texture's different. It's like tofu.
Yeah, it is.
Mm.
Your kids love the tender texture. Last time I made this dish for them, they finished all up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. For the ingredients,
Yeah?
we have small celery,
Yeah?
chili, peppers, and garlic,
Yeah?
and some pork belly.
Oh, is that all pork belly?
No, I used some pork belly and also mixed with some pork.
Lean pork.
Yeah,
Ah.
lean pork.
Yeah.
We don't want too much fat.
Yeah? Okay, I got it.
Yeah. What's the old rule again?
Oil the pan first.
You remember that?
I will. I always remember that.
On the fire.
I'll turn on the stove.
Yeah. And until the pan is slightly smoking. Then pour in some cold oil. Then add more oil, but this time there is no need because we have pork belly.
Yeah.
The pork belly until the fat renders. Then later, add the lean pork and stir fry briefly. We need to make the moisture evaporate.
Okay.
You can see still have some water inside the oil.
Yeah. Let it freeze.
We need chewy mixed with tender.
Oh.
We need this taste.
Okay.
Now add the garlic
Yeah.
and the chili peppers.
Okay. You add the garlic later so it doesn't burn, right?
Yeah,
Don't add it too early.
yes, you're right.
See.
Stir fry
Yeah.
until fragrant.
What next?
Now pour in some dark soy sauce. I directly pouring the dark soy sauce into the oil
Yeah.
because I wanted to, let the oil bring out the soy sauce aroma.
Oh.
You can smell that aroma.
Smells really good.
Now add 香干。
The tofu.
嗯。
I hope it doesn't break.
嗯。
But the tofu break, you just stir fry like
We'll have a little bit, then it's okay. Don't worry.
okay.
Now add sprinkle with some salt.
Yeah.
Pour a little water along the edge of the pan.
Yeah.
Cover the lid.
Yeah. Better simmer, is it?
Yeah. And then now turn to medium heat.
Simmer for how long?
Around 1 minute.
Okay.
You ready? Enjoy the smell.
Yeah, I can smell the flavors coming out.
Yeah.
Mm.
And celery. Okay,
Done?
done.
Ready to serve?
Yeah.
Wow, that's fun. Can't wait to taste it.
Come, you can taste it.
Oh, really?
That is the chopsticks, right?
Yeah, I'll try the tofu. Very hot. Mmm. Mmm.
You like it?
It's soft and tender. Mm. Not bad, it's tasty.
Spicy?
A little bit. Spicy is nicer.
Harry, come to eat.
Come on.
You just come and eat already. And try if it's okay or not.
Try. Come on. Faster.
You don't have to say that. Table manners, please.
It's okay lah. Is it spicy for you, Harry?
You like the...
Mommy, it's too far away.
Oh, bring it closer. In the center.
You can eat this kind of spicy, right?
Is it
Oh,
okay?
Uh-huh.
Not
do you
bad.
like it?
Can you reach it?
Oh yeah. No worries.
Which one you like? You like the lean pork belly or the pork belly, Eric? Okay.
Okay lah.
What? The lean pork or the pork belly?
Lean pork.
Mm.
Pork belly.
Okay.